Hey, what's up everybody? I've got this kit here. It's a brake bleed kit by Shimexany, and I was sent this by a seller to review this. So let's get started with what's inside. So, if we do mountain biking and everything, you don't want to go off of the mountain. You want to be able to stop on a dime if you need to. So this brake bleed kit helps you keep your brakes going and active when you need them most. So what's in this kit? First off, instruction manual. This is very, very helpful. There's lots of good information in there. There's lots of parts in here, so you're going to want to take a second to check this out if you're not familiar with changing your brake fluid. All right, first in there, we got 2 bottles of mineral oil. That's going to act as your brake oil, your lubrication in there to keep the whole thing going with the hydraulic brakes. Then we have 2 syringes, and that's great because you're going to be extracting oil, you're going to be injecting the oil in, so you can have one for the dirty, one for the clean. You got everything you need in there. You got the nut at the end, you've got the piston inside, and then you got a spare plunger in there. Each one has one of those, so you got extra parts per syringe, which is great. All right, here is the little nut cap that goes on your brakes there. That's how you're gonna screw into your brake system. So once we take out our pads, our caliper pads there, we have a couple blocks that we can put in. We have 3 different versions here depending on what system you have. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your pad out and you're going to slide one of these in, and you're going to secure them with one of these 2 rubber bands that comes with this kit to hold it in place. You got a couple Roberts clamps, 2 of them for the hose. If you need to stop the flow of the liquid or whatever, you just pinch it off. Really nice. You got a tube clamp in there. And you have 4 different bendable clear hoses so you can see the liquid either going in or coming out through that, which is really nice. You also have a funnel there. You can see the liquid through it a little bit. It's a little translucent there. So that's really nice. Looks like we also have a second piston shaft that comes with the kit. So we'll go with the syringes. And then we got our 2 tools here that help us disassemble and reassemble our brakes as we go. Gloves to keep the oil off your hands, keep your hands clean, all that good stuff. So all this together makes up this brake bleed kit from Shimexany. Really, really handy, really good stuff. You should go ahead and pick yourself up one.